Hello and welcome to this video, this module, which is about resource permissions. This is going to be quite a short one, but it's important nonetheless. When we're talking about resource permissions, we're talking about the access to individual components within the Power Platform. So individual access to an app, or individual access to a flow, or to a Power Virtual Agent, or to a, it might even be an object such as a process advisor, a flow or something like that. So it's at, or even so it's resource permissions at that level. So something that someone creates, they can then share with other people, and it's that permission that we're looking at. So they can be shared by the makers, and there's a few ways of doing it. So they can grant access as a co-owner. Microsoft have tried to simplify the sharing as much as possible. There is a co-owner, and then there is a user, a run only. So access to co-owned components, edit, share, use them. Flow co-ownership sharing also shares connections in the flow implicitly with the owners. That's an important concept. If I've connected to a flow with my account, then anyone that has access with like Outlook, for example, then with my Outlook, then anyone that sees that flow has access to that. Like that flow still has access to my mailbox unless they change it. They also have access to run components, which is use only. So when you share a component, if you're sharing it as a user, then you will be asked to make sure that you grant the right permissions to the connections that are in that particular object, and you can make them co-owner in a simple interface like that. And you can see there the list of people who've got access to that particular object. That's it. It's as easy as that. Lots more information to read on resource permissions for each individual component, but there's lots of help out there for you to do that. So we'll move on to the next topic. Thank you for watching.